girl.
Hi, how are you?
Girl, I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm great. Hey, I can see you are glowing. What's
Girl,
going on?
you can even just see by my dressing code, girl.
Oh my
like, I'm
God.
so happy, like, I'm overwhelmed, girl.
Kiss me now. What's going on?
So, I have a new boyfriend.
Oh my God.
Takes
Oh,
care of
wow.
me. He takes care of me. He fulfills my needs.
Yes.
And whatever I need, he provides for me. And as you can see,
Yeah, I can even see this on
girl, like, you can just see by my phone, like, girl, he takes care of me.
I also wish the same.
Girl, like, I'm so happy. I don't know. Oh my gosh, is it you? Girl, am I dreaming?
It's like a long time.
We met last year.
It has been a year, guys, since I last saw you.
Oh my gosh, girl. It's like it's even dreaming.
You guys are glowing, by the way.
Girl, is glowing. I don't even know what's going on. Just us. What's going
I am
on?
a man.
The man. Tell us about the
I am a
man.
man. I have a boyfriend.
What's his name?
His name is Teddy.
Teddy.
Teddy. He takes care of me, guys. You can even just see. Like,
Bro, like this top is expensive.
you brought it from in Zara on our 40th anniversary.
Yes.
She's not the only one, guys. What about me? Like, I have a guy.
Really?
His name is Philip
Oh
What
my
does
gosh.
this say?
What does it say?
Fenton.
Okay.
No.
Which sentence? Which sentence are you saying? Which sentence?
Fenton. There, can look near Homer's friend.
Number what?
Number 25.
No.
Tell me
It's
you're
a lie.
lying.
It's
No,
a lie.
it can't be. It can't be. What are you talking about?
Girl, my boyfriend stays in
Stay
there.
there.
No.
No.
Wait. No, it can't be.
No.
We have been together for more than 5 years. And you guys told me no.
No. How come you have the same boyfriend as me? How come you have the same boyfriend?
Do you have
as
a
me?
boyfriend?
Yeah. And
Wait.
it stays there where you were talking about.
No, wait.
No,
I have
it
to
can't
speak.
be. It can't be.
Guys, it is the
Wait,
same guy.
Wait.
Is it the same guy?
No.
No.
Guys,
No.
Did this guy play us?
No. How come you guys took my boyfriend?
Wait, someone told
I'm losing
me.
it.
Someone hold me right
I'm
now.
losing
I'm
it.
going crazy.
Wait, what car? What car does he
We
drive?
have a BMW.
And you?
BMW.
Guys, this guy paid us.
Oh my God, I can't believe.
Wait,
Oh
no.
my God, oh
Didn't
my
you take
God.
my guy from me?
No, how can I take your boyfriend?
Guys,
I met
what's
him
going on?
first than you. He went with me to my matric dance. He was my partner there.
No.
He even asked me out there. How
That's
come
why
I
he
take
didn't
your
want to come. This guy played us.
He played us. Guys,
We have to do something about it. We have to do something about it.
No, guys,
Yes, we have to do something about
we have to do something
it.
about
Can't
this
be.
guy. What can we do? Because this guy, he can't play all of us.
Guys, I have something. Let's go to him right now. Let's go to him and
To his
confront
workplace
him.
right now.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
We're just gonna go beat him up.
Exactly.
Today,
How can you do something
He's
like
gonna-
that
you
to
can't
us?
do that to
He
us.
can't
No,
do that. We're gonna go deal with him
We
together.
can deal